friends, what color are we learning today? Let's see. It's green. Stamp, stamp, stamp. Green. That spells green. Now can you help me find the green pencil? Is this green? No. Is this green? No. Is this green? Yes. Yay! Good job! Color, color, color the leaves green. Do you like coloring? Yay! We are done! Now let's use this Sharpie to color the cactus. The cactus is green. Cactus are found in deserts. They like hot weather. We are done. Now let's paint. Is this green? No. Is this green? No. Is this green? No. Is this green? Yes. Good job. Let's take out some green paint. Dip, dip, dip the brush in paint. Then water. Then paint. Let's color the apple green. I like green apples. Let's paint the tree green. Trees are green. Now let's paint the froggy green. Frogs can be yellow or green. Yay! We are done! Do you know green is the color of nature? Green can also mean money. Let's learn new ways to say green. In English, we call green green. And in Arabic, we call green أخضر. And in Spanish, we call green verde. Can you say verde? Good job! We learned green! Hooray! Hooray! More colors coming every day. Bye-bye, green. See you soon. We'll be back with orange of our own.